Hello, Anurag. Uh,
Oh,
and
hello.
Babita ma'am. I visited a village and surveyed to a village. Name is Safipur.
Okay.
Okay, and uh, and have you visited
Yes, I
any
visited.
village?
Yes, yes. I visited in a village last year.
And Anurag, have you
Yes,
visited?
yes, yes. I have also
Yes,
visited.
yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So, which type of problems you have observed in the
Yes,
villages?
yes, Mamta ma'am. I have visited last year in a village. Village name is
Have you some data
Do you have
from
some
that
data?
village?
Do you have
Do
some
you
data?
have some data?
no, ma'am.
Because during survey it is must.
Yes, yes. Uh, but I collect and randomly I talk with villagers people. And
Okay.
I visited last year in Farkhabad, and there are many problems in a rural area. I find there are many problems like poverty and illiteracy, unemployment, and uh, crime violence. When we talk the people, I found the many people they are facing the poverty because this time is a COVID time, and there are many people they come back their hometown. That's why, and there is no any employability in that place. That's why they are facing um, poverty. And we all know the literacy rate is decrease compared to the rural area, urban areas. That's why
Yes.
the people
And
are very illiterate, and they don't want how to earn the money, and um, how to literate them family. And
and
if it illiterate if illiteracy rate high, then the crime and the violence is very high because
okay. And Anurag.
they have no any employee, they have no any job that and they fulfill their need. That's why they do
But
crime and violence.
Bhatta ma'am, in the village, mostly people, 75% people engage with the agriculture.
But you know, ma'am, they depend on agriculture. We all very well aware that the agriculture people they faced many problems like a drought problem and flood problems.
Yes,
And
yes.
sometimes heavy
They
rain,
face.
sometimes drought. They
Yes,
faced many
yes, yes.
problems. That's why they lost their money in agriculture.
Yes, sir. In this scenario, when they face the drought and floods, and Anurag,
Yeah. So hello.
what do
I
you
will talk.
say?
Yeah. So I visited my maternal uncle's house, and it is in village. So I will talk about that village only. So what I have observed in that village, the main problem is poverty, because in that village, most of the people are engaged themselves into the agriculture, and as the agriculture is the depending on weather, and we are facing the weather aberration in the recent times. So what they do, they in the Rabi season, in the winter times, they cultivate the potato, but every time the rainfall comes, so as a result, their production is getting very low, and so they are facing this problem since many years. And other thing that I have observed, that
Okay.
educational problem is very much, because the number of schools and the the home tutors are very less. So like one school is available for the students to read in a village. So how the large number of students will read in a particular school, and the educational facility provided is also not good quality. So these are the main problems that I have observed. And in our village, I didn't take any statistical data, but I have observed that the 70% people are generally men, and a very less number of people are women. So these are the one of the major problems that we have seen, that men are generally involved themselves into the agriculture. The women are not are there just working as a housewife. So the earning for the family is getting low. So this poverty we have seen, and electricity problem is another problem that we have seen, that the electricity facility is not still provided to them. So these are the main problems that I have observed in the village.
And
Okay.
Mamta ma'am, I
Uh,
also observed there are many migration problem in village because
yes,
they have no
migration
any earning
power day by
sources,
day going to increase because of lack of the employment
employability,
opportunity of the job. That's why they move to the city.
cities. Yes, yes.
Yes, and I have also surveyed a village, Safipur, which is located in Greater Noida. It is a small village, and only 358 numbers of the populations, and only 51 houses are there. And when I collected some data, then we observed that male and female, uh, uh, too much gap between the gender. Female populations only 165, and uh, total literacy rate in 51.1%, and in female literacy rate only 19.8%. And in this village there is no ST and no SC related peoples. Working population only 31%. Or if we see the child, then a girl's child only 26, and boy child is 68. So I observed that too much gender
Gender
gap.
wires,
Yes,
gender
and
wires.
yes, and when I talk about the talk with the peoples, what which type of problems they face in the village, then they said that before 3-4 years so much problems they faced, but now these days because their village come come came in the Greater Noida Authority,
And
and
government
nearby
acquired,
the
government acquired their lot,
yes,
land.
nearby the sectors. That's why Greater Noida Authority acquired their land, and government gave too much money for them. That's why their lifestyle has been changed. People who engage with the agricultures now these days, they build bungalow instead of the mud house, and they what so much high costly cars, four wheelers. And even one people said me, when he got his son's married, then they brought uh, bride by the aeroplane.
But
So
Mamta ma'am,
lifestyle totally has been changed. But
Mamta ma'am,
I
you
observed
observe
one thing. Other hand, some peoples who has landless people, they are still suffering lot of problems because they didn't get any money from the government, and they work in in the house who got lot of money from the government.
But Mamta ma'am, we should think about the gender wise. All
Yes.
standard is up, but what is the status of gender? We can see
Yes,
if
yes.
you observe
So
the gender wise level is as it is, like a
I I asked regarding this. Then people said that girls we don't count in the child girls because girls goes to other house.
So
That's why only boys we count only boys in
I
the
think the
numbering.
guidance of the
It
And we
family.
means
don't like
they,
to
it means
girls child
they progress their
because
standard of
social
living,
mental
not
because mentally lifestyle has been changed. Only wear the cloth and maintain the different types of things, but mental level
maturity
has
has
been
been not changed.
not changed.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
And,
why.
and for
Yeah.
this purpose, I think
I want one point. I want to share
and
one point.
Yeah,
the
and dowry systems also increase in
Yes,
these
I
areas.
want to, Anurag, can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, as I told you, you all of last time I went Farukhabad village. That time I see a primary school, and there are only 30 students came here, and all classes were empathy, and animal are there. Animal were there in
And
classes.
and when I asked about the education, then people said of the Sapipur village, girls studied in the village schools, which is opened by the government, and boys they studied in the public school, DPS, MAT, like this.
So I think the gender bias can be eliminated in this way, that if we count the girl child as similar like a boy child. So if when
Yeah,
it's born, we should give her proper education so that she can also
they
learn like,
lack of the awareness related to the genders.
yes, yes,
My according to me.
and the older women should be involved themselves into the other works like agricultural purpose work and other type of work, so that they cannot feel themselves boring or any other thing. So in this way, I think the
Yeah,
men and women gender bias can be eliminated from the society.
yeah. So according to me, if you be aware those people regarding the genders,
Yes.
then maybe it can be changed.
And
Yeah,
our government should
the-
be emphasize and our education and girls child.
So I
Yes,
think
government gave the free education for all the
yeah,
But not
children.
good monitoring.
Both
But
till
not a
till,
good monitoring.
I think this is time for conclusion, and we should conclude the each other purpose. So
yeah.
start
Yes,
the
yes. So different types of problems we observed that in the village area, and if some awareness goes to their places, then might be some we can eradicate these problems from that
yes, yes.
place.
So I will also tell that there are very much problems in the village areas as well as the other portion of the society. So if we can make them aware about the problems and try to solve them the problems, only this way we can eradicate this problem. And government should come forward to do something like they are giving the something schemes which are beneficial for the farmers or other villagers, and also we can also do something like alternative ways. So when there are like less production of crops, then we can choose the alternative crops which can yield more and more. So in this way, I
Yes,
think
yes.
we can try to resolve the
But
problem. Yeah.
yes, but when government launch new schemes, then farmers are very innocent.
Yes, yes, yes,
They get benefit, but others politicians they
yes, yes.
get more benefit. That's why they pressurize to the innocent peoples for protest, like farmer protest,
Yes, yes.
because
So, Babita ma'am,
in the
you please
farmer
say
protest,
something.
original
Yes, yes.
original original farmers is not there, only
Yeah.
politicians
Yes,
are
okay.
there.
Babita ma'am, you please conclude and
So
then we can end the discussion.
Now we can find there are many problem, and all thing is government depend on government. Government should close monitoring all thing.
Bhakta ma'am, in the lockdown
Now,
period, government
now
gave too much facilities to the villages. Even you and me didn't get, but they
But
get money
but
and
but
other things also.
but actually the
But they
schemes are launched,
also
but they are not getting the benefit. We have seen that the
Yes,
scheme
exactly.
is launched, but the farmers are not getting the benefit because they even don't know that what scheme and for which purpose it
yes,
is launched.
that's
yes,
why
yes,
government should
because one
close
leader
monitoring
should
and
be there who aware them
Yes,
for the new
Kavita ma'am,
schemes.
only 30 or 20% people, village people are aware,
and
and
I think this
70
is
Yes,
people are they don't aware.
Innocent. They
the
are
political
innocent.
issue is
yes.
the
Now,
main major thing. So if
now,
you can,
Political issues,
yeah,
due to political issues, they
mhm,
get less
yes, yes.
benefit
So if we can just
from the.
eradicate the political issue, then I think
yes.
the it will be problem to be solved.
So,
Yes,
I
yes,
thank you,
yes, yes.
team. Wow.
Thank you,
These
ma'am.
guys,
Thank you.
give a round of applauses for them. My God, unbelievable, unbelievable. Around more than 10 minutes, but all the time so much informative talks, so much informative talks. And what I feel that these things should be there. So there should be a panel discussion, there should be a panel where experts are talking and sharing their views on that particular topic. What do you say? Do you agree with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, we
yes,
are
sir.
agree.
Yes, sir.
So those
Yes, sir.
who have done it, they must be agree. What I think that Babita will be agree, Mamta and Anurag, because that
Yes,
was so
yes,
interesting,
sure,
so
sir.
interesting. So now let me have Mr. Sukhdeep, our expert here, who has been observing so minutely, so minutely. So he will tell us what he has found. Sukhdeep, over to you.
Yes, sir. Very nice. You have told about the conclusion and all the villages about, and no feedback for you that you are speaks very well, and I listened very much that you are singing very frequently. Sir, and sir is and sir is typing that please tell the conclusion in the chat, so then you check it and then tell. There is no feedback for you. Very nice.
Sorry, Sukhdeep. We unable to conclusion on time. I
See
think
guys, you have to
we have
listen to
taken
judge. Actually, I
extra
can't do
time also.
anything. Sukhdeep, you have to remind them. Please do finish it because you are
Okay,
the judge.
okay.
You are the host. So I am
Okay,
following his
okay.
instruction. Sukhdeep is
But the
messaging me,
host
sir,
was not
please
talking.
do finish their speech. So
So,
Sukhdeep is messaging me. I was following his instruction. Thank you so much, Sukhdeep, for guiding me
Okay.
also.
the host hasn't
Okay.
warned us, so we were not aware about the timing.
Yes, but Sukhdeep is so nicely monitoring. So nice, Sukhdeep. So I request you, please. Next team is coming on stage. So please observe them so nicely, and let's move to the second team. And I am putting them in spotlight. So these are Richa and Ruchi Mishra and Lavanya. So yes, these have gone to the cities and they have observed a lot of things, about the like what is the lifestyle in cities, how they are living their life, and what are the issues in there, and what are the good points or fruitful points are there. So now we are going to get a very nice three speakers, Lavanya, Richa, and Ruchi Mishra. Please give a round of applause for them. Wonderful. And Kusum, be ready. Next turn will be yours. And Kusum, I am giving you one more opportunity that please do observe them,
Okay, sir.
their talks, and I'll be asking you to give feedback too.
Okay, sir.
Alright. Okay. So speakers, Ruchi Mishra is leading this team, so she will be beginning it. Ruchi, over to you.
Sir. So here we are going to talk about the city's life. So sir, first we want to explain that why people want to come in city and why they are feeling very happy or they want to live in the city life, because some of the main factor that have lead to grow of cities. The first, surplus resources. The second one, industrialization, and the third one, commercialization. All the 3 points are there where the people want to come and want to leave. But I want to say something. There is a problem and want to solve the solution. So want to say collapsing. There is a problem to live in our cities. Now I am going to elaborating. That is the collapsing infrastructure. Second, increased level of population, because here all the people came in want to live in a city's life. Only because of that the level of living people are increasing day by day, and only because of that we are facing problem. Increasing volume on traffic on a poorly maintained road, because road are not maintained, because our government is unable to handle this kind of problem. Only because of that we are facing this kind of problem. Or and unequal housing, or we can say less housing funding, because now people are more but land are very less. So only because of that multitasking, multi-story your houses, buildings are making by the governments, by the builders, so that we can survive. So, and slightly town is likely to be found on inappropriate land, because lots of problems are there. They are unable to taking good resources, many things. The service will be, sir, non-existent and incapable of maintaining a basic standard of living. Only because of that people are coming in the cities and they want to live here, and they don't even, some people came here for learning something, learning something, and they did not return their village, only because they want to maintain all these things in the society. That's all, sir.
Yeah, Ruchi ma'am,
Yes.
you are right. There's too much problem in the city. Land is a major problem, and I also feel some others problem. One of the major problem I feel a safety problem. Uh, in the cities, I when I go for survey, I talk to people, and they said they are not okay. They are not uh, they are not safe to go outside their daughters at night. In even in evening time also, there are so many crimes for girls with girls, and the crime number are increased day by day. Number of
It is
crime.
a basic problem. Can I start?
Yeah.
Yeah, the basic problem you are telling about the safety problem. Friends, as we live in a city life, so we will have to maintain all these things. Here, the category of people are different, totally different. Like
Yeah.
there are some middle class family, high class family, and very poor class family. If you will
Poor, very
observe
poor
or
class.
survey, then you will find either the crime
Ratio.
can be happen in a very lower or very
Yeah,
high.
yeah.
It is not
Very high.
middle class family. And if you will observe, all the culprit are not too much educated what they have done, except terrorist.
Yeah.
So
Sometime
yes,
these
please.
problem facing in very high society or very low, like Mazdoor types. They do
Labor type. Yeah,
these type
that's
of
why
crime.
I'm telling,
Labor
because
type. Yeah.
they came, they want to live city life, but they forget how they are not taking too much education or awareness about the cities. They only observe that they are a filmy like environment, but when they come from village, they find that, oh my god, that is a, you know that is a dream life for them. So they try to live like that, but they forget it is you will have to maintain first and aware about that. And their ideas and thoughts are totally different, like city, only because of they comment women,
Yeah.
clothings, many things, not clothing, many things. Sometimes
I
they
think
hooting.
they are problems within their mind, their mentality,
Definitely, definitely.
and
What is your opinion about safety in city? Would you feel that you are in trouble in living in city?
For me, no. In city like Dehradun, there is safety, and in cities like Delhi and Gurgaon, I feel not. I didn't feel secure when I have done the that. When I've talked to the people, so they said that Delhi is not a safe place to live. So I agree with this, that Delhi is not. Some cities are not safe to live.
Richa, what is your opinion about that? That is a very big, issue.
yeah. Uh, I also agree that this time there are so many crimes in cities, but this is not only in city. This is also in blaze and town areas done.
How
So
can we remove, eradicate this kind of problem?
I think girls should be aware from this and
Why
you
only girls?
aware. Not only I said only aware. Not only girls take some burden to on it, and we should teach our boy child also that
No, every child.
Yeah, yeah. I am
respect
agree
every
with the
woman.
Richa, because I totally agree with the Richa, because it is very important. If you are going to teach your girls, then you will have to teach your boy
Your
also.
boy
So then
also.
we will have to give a same message. We are talking about the discrimination and links, things, but
Yeah,
here we are going to talk about the discrimination. So we will have to teach both
both.
male
And
and female also, that we will have to respect girl as well as boy.
yeah, and
Yes.
teach some safety like judo, karate on your girl child as and I think one is the most important, that if you teach your boy child, then these problems already decrease.
Yeah, definitely. And I think really it is a very important for a girl's child. How can she preserve herself, her dignity, her education, even eve teaching, we can say. How can, do you agree with that point? How can we eradicate these kind of problem, eve teaching, hooting?
Mm, I think we confident in with with yourself, and when
Because it is impossible to control. Only government should control these kind of activities,
yeah,
isn't it?
everyone, it is a responsibility of everyone, every
Yes.
individual. It is a responsibility of every individual, whether it is
And
a
what
boy,
about
it is,
the population? Because
yeah,
in the city, it is another big issue, population.
yeah.
Yes,
I
Lavanya.
think a population is,
Yes, in cities, overpopulation has been caused because more and more people come from village to city to settle there so that they can find some jobs or jobs. And in village, there are some jobs like farming, agriculture, and etc. But in cities, there are many opportunities for people
if
to work. So that's why I think people from village and other places come in the cities and live here. That's why overpopulation is causing. So for me, this is the reason. Please tell Ruchi ma'am, you also tell something.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, why people are not thinking about to provide all the better thing in the village so that they cannot
yeah, yeah,
migrate in cities, isn't it?
yeah. Ruchi ma'am,
But do
I
you
agree
think
with
it is
you.
possible?
If
Yes,
government,
it is
if
possible. Government should take some steps. They should send some peoples who can give some, who can tell peoples to how to do work, how to run a factory, how to how to run a business and all.
and government should
But
provide
there is
the employment in
our
village
self
also.
responsibility, because government is sending a lots of fund to the villagers, but the middle person have taken advantage because they are not too much aware about their their rights and things. So it is very important that first we will have to train them how can you get your
Yeah,
rights, and we will have to provide these kind of program. Even government is providing some things like a labor ministry always provide these kind of training to the poor villagers so that they can know their rights. And there are
yeah,
many problems like drainage.
Yes.
What do you think about drainage and the road, jam packed road?
And pollution.
Yes, Richa.
drainage is also a major
Yes,
problem in
pollution.
cities. Pollution, because I think all the
Air
problem
pollution.
comes from population. Because of population, there is too many air pollution in cities, because so many vehicle, so many traffic, and water pollution is one of the other major problem, because people, they
Yeah,
lived
yeah.
in
To
city,
ask
they
any
don't get
other
pure water. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ruchi ma'am.
yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
On that,
There is no fresh air in cities,
yes, please.
and pollution. There is too much pollution from
Yeah, and
cars.
water
Ye-
that we have in city, they, increase so many diseases like pili, they increase so many diseases, uh, jaundice,
Yeah.
typhoid.
Do you think so? Only government is responsible for this kind of problem?
No,
No, peoples are also
people
responsible.
are also responsible, and if we want to reduce these problem,
Air
every
pollution,
individual
na?
take their responsibility.
Yes.
Okay.
We should
Okay,
clean
thank you
roads
all of
and
you. Your valuable advice is taken by me, and I think everyone will agree with this point. And really, there are many kind of problem, but life is not a bed of roses. We will have to solve, and as we know, the every cloud has a singular life, so we will have to solve all these problems. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Wow. Please give a round of applause for these warriors, just because of their well prepared speech or their well spoken, means we got a lot of things. So we got a lot of things. What are the drawbacks and what are the good points in the villages? Later we got about the cities. It was so nice. Thank you so much. I'll be sharing feedback individually at the end. So let's move towards the feedback giver or our judge. So first let me bring Kusum, then our master Sukhdeep Singh. Master Sukhdeep Singh will
Hats off you
Yes.
everyone because you delivered very nice
Sorry,
speech, and
Kusum, by mistaking, so I didn't return.
I got a lot of information, and Ruchi ma'am made us understand about city life, and now we understood remote drums are pleasant, and we should take care of this thing, and that's why people are prefer to live in village, and people come to the city for good livelihood, but at the end they all want to go back their native place, but they also face a lot of problem. We will talk on these types of problem on later, but I wanted to listen to Lavanya more because she used to live in city and now she is enjoying village life, so she could include some more points maybe, but she couldn't, but it's
no,
very nice.
Dehradun is not a village.
Okay, you are not a village, but Dehradun is very different place comparatively Delhi. So you can express your views more in this speech. So it's very nice. Congratulations, everyone. You give your best, and that is the motive of our English class. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Kusum, for sharing a valuable feedback. So Sukhdeep is sharing something. So Sukhdeep himself, from his mouth, will tell. Yes, Sukhdeep.
Sir, I didn't write a feedback, so I can tell you about. Sir, all have say very good about
All
city
said.
and
Say no. All said.
yes, sir. All said about city and village. It is good, and no, I didn't have a feedback to tell about all. All are good, and they all speak very well.
They spoke very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes. They, again, repeat.
They spoke very well. They spoke
Yes.
very well.
Wonderful. Now, so let's begin. Let's move towards our final speaker of the day, and that is none other than Kusum. Oh, sorry, I have muted you. My mistake. So, yes, Kusum. So, please share with us. So, you were given a task that was very different than these two, and hope you have a lot of information to share. So, I invite you on the stage for sharing a lot good information. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for inviting me, for giving my point on my NGO, because I run a NGO for poor people, and I nowadays, because of pandemic, I have to raise a fund. For raising this fund, I called up people. Um, uh, one politician, I called one politician, and I asked for fund. I told him, because as a Indian citizen, we should take care of our poor people, orphan children, and I run a NGO, and that NGO works for poor people. And in my NGO, there are 40-50 children are living, and they want to study and they want to live with good facilities, and I also want to serve this service for them, but I am unable because of money. So when I called people, they asked me a lot of questions about my NGO, because they want to know how I organize this and why I organize this. So that is main motive I have, because I have some time. Yes, I have some separate time for my busy schedule, and after that, I want to serve something special in my society. For this purpose, I made this NGO, and this NGO works for poor people. Not only poor people, we also want to do something good for our girl child also, because they are suffering a lot. Because nowadays you can see a lot of news in your newspapers, and you can listen to the news, and listen to the a lot of things in the news also. So if we talk about our Indian culture, Indian scenario, so people can spend money on religious thing, but they don't want to give money to educate people, because they don't want to know the benefit of education. So we are trying to make people understand to importance of education, and for this purpose I made this NGO, and it is situated in Narela, and that is very rural area, and they village in village, and villagers are also supporting us, and they providing a lot of things like food items and old clothes, and some money also. But after that, that was not enough for us, and I called a politician for raising fund, and he refused very brutally, because he told me, because government is doing very nice, and why you are interrupting in government work. So that is not only a government work. As a human being, as a good citizen, we should take care of our orphan children, because they are on road, and they live their life on road without any shelter, without any guardian. So if you feel good, so please, dear friends, you should also take the responsibility of one child only. You can donate some money for them, you can send some old cloth, but usable, they can use nicely, and you can press them, and you can pack them as a gift pack, and please send us. So that is my humble request to all. Please try to make some charity for us. Thank you, sir.
Wow, brilliant. So she is a one-man army of our team. Oh my God, thank you so much. Alon, you have spoken, you have concluded everything so nicely, so perfectly. At the end, let me share feedback of everyone. What are the feedbacks? So first of all, the positive points are a lot. If I talk about the first group, Mamta, Anurag, and Babita. Oh my God, that was so superb. Coordination was so nice and well shared. Everything so nice. So the feedback for the first teams, like first one is Babita. I'll be sharing individual feedback. Babita, I find when I visited the village, I found. Okay. No employability. This was the one word which I have been observing, and I wanted to share this feedback but couldn't. So today I am giving feedback. No employability.
Unemployed.
No employment. Not employability. There is no employment. Ability is not there. This world doesn't exist. Okay. Literacy rate is decreased.
Getting decreased.
Yeah, is decreasing or is decreased, right? It's decreased, no. Either you use ed or you can use ing, decreasing. Now, second participant is Anurag. Anurag, we don't call potato, it is potato. Tomato, potato, onion. Onion, tomato, potato.
Potato.
No po. Even though the spelling is po, but the pronunciation is potato. Not
Potato.
tomato, it is tomato. Tomato, potato. Yes. Second feedback for you is, I don't find you have been given this feedback, but many of them know it. One of the. So this is one of the main problem. Yes. What is something which we have to add?
Problem.
Pronunciation was something different. Something different was there. Dowry.
Dowry.
Is it not Dory? It is dowry.
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 Dowry. Dowry.
Okay. Mamta, do write that. It is dowry. Yes.
Dowry.
Dowry.
Some aware.
Yes.
Yes.
I am right.
Good. So you got stuck when you were telling this sentence. The sentence is, if some awareness goes to their place. So it doesn't go. If means awareness is spread. So spread word should be there.
Spread.
Yes. So the word, did not stack in your mind. You are in trouble that moment. So it should be
Yeah, yes, sir.
spread.
Spread.
Yes. Now let me share feedback to the second team, Ruchi, Richa and Lavanya. Yeah, wonderful performance, and a lot they spoke. Ruchi gave the opportunity to speak others. Here I haven't got any feedback for Lavanya. She was so nice. She is grammatically or in terms of English, she is perfect. Good job. Now there is some feedback for Ruchi. Ruchi, building are making by builders. So in cities, buildings are making by builders. Please,
Yes, sir.
what is correction?
Building makes by the builder.
Yes, Ruchi.
Was made. Building was made by many builders.
बनाई जाती हैं.
Yeah.
Only Ruchi, only Ruchi. Just hold. Let her speak. Yes.
Sir, I want to say in a passive, so it would be buildings are made by many builders.
Good job. Yes, building are made. It has to be made. And next is issue. Issue. Okay, no problem. So it has to be issue, not issue. Okay. Now that was the only feedback. Richa, one of the I would say that biggest feedback. This is the biggest feedback, and this is the biggest weakness too. That is yeah. So this yeah means, please do eradicate this, remove this instantly. I should not listen it from tomorrow. So it should not be okay, means you are always saying yeah, means it is excessive. Not one time, two time, it is excessive. Like 60% you are speaking, 40% is yeah. Now I'll tell you how we can, we do yeah, this is acknowledging. When we acknowledge, so we say this word like sure, yeah, alright, thank you. So acknowledge, it is not the right word to acknowledge someone. You can use exactly like Ruchi used definitely. So if you have noticed, so Ruchi use all the times means she has the word definitely, right? So she keeps on using this. So Richa, this is not the proper
No,
word.
also.
Yeah,
Sir,
Yes, I was talking that because I have seen that many
yes, also exactly.
MS Dhoni when speaks they use the most of the time.
Yeah, these are good words.
Yeah.
These are the good fillers. And because your yaya is saying also very different, that tone is very different. So you have to work upon it. You can say exactly, write down what you can say. See, there should be some variation. We can't always say definitely, we can't always say exactly. We have to change our words, like what do you think, or what I think according to me, as per my knowledge.
Exactly.
Lavanya?
In my opinion.
In my opinion, sure, exactly, of course, obviously. So keep on changing it. It should not be one word. Don't stick at one place. Just try to change that. So your audience will also feel good. They will also like it. So Richa, I don't want to listen it again. Okay. Next one, there is so many traffic. So many traffic. Richa, yeah, much. Traffic can't be counted, right? We can't say one traffic, two traffic, three traffic. Okay. Pollution, population. Please work upon it. Sometimes it was pronounced correctly. Pollution, population. Yes, pollution. Good.
Population.
Yeah, and disease, not disease. Please.
Disease.
Disease. It is illness means disease.
Disease.
Yes.
Disease.
Exactly. Kusum, now
But
it's
traffic is very much traffic.
there is a lot of traffic. There is a lot of traffic.
Not
There is huge traffic, very much traffic. We can use this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Kusum, it's your turn.
Yes, sir.
So when you were giving feedback, so you used one sentence. She could share, but she couldn't.
Yeah, ये कर सकती थी पर किया नहीं.
Yes, but that
But
could
didn't.
see could I'll tell you could has two way of sharing in past. When we use like I couldn't talk, so I couldn't talk means it is a past, but I could not have talked. It is both are past, could have and could. Could is very interesting, guys. We have to understand it so nicely. Let me share with you what I'm trying to explain here. Like could is the past of can. Okay, so could we use in past form two ways. Oh, how do we use? Could have plus withal, and second one is could only. Now sentences are she could speak but she okay whatever you say did not. If you want to say didn't, but she didn't. She could have spoken but she didn't. Or very interesting thing I'm going to reveal here, that is she did not or she couldn't. Similarly, okay, let's understand this concept. The concept says what could is used in past, no doubt. Like if I say that, like when I was young, I could speak well. I couldn't speak. Okay, let me give you a simple example. Before joining this session, English Josh, I couldn't speak. I was unable to speak. But now I can. This is the past. But second says that I could have spoken. I could have spoken, but I did not. So there are two ways. So could means it is a general ability. Okay, this could is used for ability, and this could is used for when we miss something, missing opportunity. Okay, that we call in another form regret. Okay, so again Babita, happy birthday. So
Happy birthday, sir.
thank
Happy
you so
birthday,
much.
sir.
Birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Mamta ma'am.
Sir, happy birthday, sir.
Sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's meet tomorrow then.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone. Bye. Take
Good
care.
night,
Bye.
sir.
Good
Good
evening
night.
and good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.